The Magical Yet. Words by Angela Dieterlizzi. Art by Lorena Alvarez. This book is published by Disney Hyperion. There are days when your dreams haven't come true. If you've lost or failed or cried just a bit, you're tired of waiting, ready to quit. Like that shiny new bike you couldn't ride, and it didn't matter how hard you tried. You couldn't pedal and you couldn't steer, and you couldn't get that bike into gear. Then, when you thought you were on the right track, you popped a wheelie and fell on your back. And now you won't ride. No way. Not never. No riding for you. You'll walk forever. Don't give up now. There's a major game changer. A most amazing someone to show you how good you can get. Now, introducing the Magical Yet. With this Yet's magic, you can begin to see that where you're going, beyond where you've been. There's so many things that you've learned to do when you didn't know the Yet was with you. Like when you babbled before you could talk, or how you crawled before you could walk. Yet's a dreamer, a schemer, a hoper and trier, a maker, a doer, a gotta fly higher. This Yet finds a way even when you don't, and yet knows you will when you think you won't. Like that shiny new bike that you couldn't ride, hop right back on with the Yet by your side. Yet doesn't mind warm-ups, fixes and flops, do-overs, redos, stumbles, and stops. Yet knows there's mistakes, some big and some small. With Yet, you're sure to get over them all. Play the kazoo or play the bassoon. Jam with a Yet and you'll soon be in tune. Try skateboarding tricks like the ollie heel flip. This Yet can get to the championship. Tongue twisters twisted your tongue in a knot? Yet says, keep trying and practice a lot. Be patient. Yet can't do it all overnight. Some things take days, months, or years to get right. But if you keep leaping, dreaming, wishing, waiting, learning, trying, missing, with the Yet as your guide along the way, you'll do all the things that you can't do today. Now you're bolder, braver, starting to see, with Yet you can get where you want to be. You finally did it. Yet knew you could. You're not just writing, you're getting quite good. But don't stop now. You've got so much to do. The good news is, this Yet grows with you. So no matter how big or old you may get, you'll never outgrow. You'll never forget. You can always believe in the magic of Yet.